I'm Kalle Beck, and today I'm going to be reviewing this outdoor wall lantern. Let's go ahead and get it all unboxed. As you can see, it comes with clear instructions right here with all of your guides on installation. Super simple stuff. You can see it also comes very nicely packaged. Look at this. I had to slide this thing out of there always so you can have good confidence that your item will arrive undamaged. Just look at, even in here, in between the glass, we have more packaging material. That just looks great. Let's go ahead and take this out of here. Get a little hardware kit right here. Lantern. It's about 18. Let's check out some of the great detail. Really nice glass, and you can see the slight bevel on it. Kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but if I move it, you can see, oh, it's not completely flat, which just shows the quality of this product. Look around, nice shape up here, very ornate. Good casting overall. This cool look, nice long wall box. Just really nicely built. These are all individual panes of glass in here. You can take them apart with these 4 nuts right here, and you can also take it off with these nuts, and they're all color matched. You have all your mounting hardware here. Has a little gasket right here. Just overall nice and sturdy, and looks like it'll really hold up, and looks like a really high-end unit. Let's go get it installed. This comes with a pretty cool bracket. You can put it like this, screw it into the wall, and then you move it to the side. Really cool. So first thing you want to do is you get your wall box and your bracket, and thread this into the wall. Then you go ahead and connect your black wire to your black. On mine, I have 2 black wires, but it's been marked off, so make sure to get a voltage meter and tester and just confirm which one is hot. But your black wire goes to your hot, and then your white wire goes to the other one, which is normally white. Of course, I'm not a professional and consultant electrician. Twist them together. Make sure to connect the ground as well. Then go ahead, put your little gasket and nut. It is all installed. This looks absolutely great. I am so happy with it. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I have a small Edison bulb in there right now. Just the detail on this, it looks really nice. I think it fits the decor of our farmhouse well. Let's check this out. Look at that. Really cool. Great detail. Definitely looks amazing. Very happy with this, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.